Let us start with the second mode of heat transfer, that is nothing but convection. Now how we can define the convection? The convection is nothing but heat transfer by bulk fluid motion, heat transfer by bulk fluid motion over or through the surface. तो आपको याद होगा हमने यहाँ पे कुछ तो कैंप फायर लिया था, उसके बाजू में बिसाइड में हम बैठे थे, और एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ हीट ट्रांसफर और temperature difference between the flames and yourself, as a result of that temperature difference, heat transfer will takes place through the medium which is present in between yourself and that campfire. That is due to the convection mode of heat transfer. Now, is there any law which governs this convection mode of heat transfer? That law is nothing but what? Newton's law of cooling. Now, what is the statement of this Newton's law of cooling? It is nothing but, or it states that heat transfer rate per unit area is directly proportional to temperature difference between, we can say, system and surrounding, or the temperature difference of a high temperature body and a low temperature body. Now let us say that this cube or this body A we have taken at a temperature TA, and I have kept in open atmosphere which is at, let us say, 25 degrees Celsius, and TA is equal to, say, let us 70 degrees Celsius. Now as there is a temperature difference, heat transfer may takes place between this body which is at higher temperature with this atmosphere which is at lower temperature. Now how we can simplify this? Let us remove this proportionality sign. I can write Q is equal to H into AS into delta T. लेकिन यहाँ पे delta T कौन सा होगा? To this atmospheric temperature, let us say it as a Ts, and this is T infinity I can say, or I can say TA as well, no issues at all. I can write Q is equal to H into AS into TS minus TA. Okay, with the help of this equation easily I can calculate how much is the value of heat transferred from this body which is at higher temperature than this surrounding or atmospheric temperature. Okay, now where this Q is nothing but heat transfer rate, then this H is nothing but constant of proportionality which is called as heat transfer coefficient. Okay, and wait for some time, we will calculate its unit as well. This AS is nothing but what? The surface area through which heat is rejected to the atmosphere, or if its temperature is lower than atmospheric, heat gained by this body through which surface, that is nothing but AS. TS is surface temperature, TS is nothing but the surface temperature, and TA is nothing but the surrounding temperature. Okay, now how we can calculate the unit of H? This equation number 1, how we can write? H is equal to Q upon AS into 1 upon TS minus TA. तो इसका यूनिट क्या हो सकता है? Q का यूनिट होगा वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर इंटू, ये टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस अगर हमने केल्विन में लिया है तो केल्विन ले सकते हैं, या तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, डिग्री सेल्सियस में भी ले सकते हैं. तो यूनिट क्या होगा? वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर, या तो केल्विन और वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड वाइल डिस्कसिंग, जो हमने पहले कंडक्शन का लॉ देखा था उस वक्त हमने डिस्कस किया था कि डिग्री सेल्सियस हो या केल्विन हो, अगर टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस है तो वो यूनिट सेम ही रहेगा. उस वजह से यहाँ पे क्या मिला है? वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर केल्विन और वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर डिग्री सेल्सियस. Now I hope so you might have understood what is convection mode of heat transfer, and with the help of which law we can calculate the value of heat transfer rate.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.